What must change today is the number of women and girls who are interested in aviation and how they are inspired from a young age. When girls are introduced early to engineering, they choose these careers. We can't solve the climate challenge with only half of the world's population.
We need to stop treating aviation as a niche option for women and start treating it as an obvious one. Aviation is rarely presented as a realistic or visible option, even though it is one of the sectors most affected by the sustainability challenge. And that already limits who considers it in the first place. For those women who do enter aviation, they're still much less present in technical roles like engineering, flight, or maintenance. So what needs to change is both the visibility and the access.
To ensure women lead the future of sustainable aviation, we need to gain strengthening roles and visibility as we are doing now. And we need to keep pushing this visibility for the future of sustainable aviation research and beyond.
Diversity improves engineering decision, and at Airbus, diversity is part of our DNA. It can sometimes be a bit more complicated, and we saw that diverse teams challenge assumptions earlier on and reduce blind spots. Mixed teams reach robust solutions faster because they approach risk differently. On top, to design the next generation of aircraft, we need teams that reflect the diversity of the world that will fly tomorrow.
I genuinely believe that aviation will struggle to become sustainable without diverse teams. Diverse teams are better at questioning what is considered normal and spotting blind spots early. Diversity directly can improve the decision-making and the robustness of new solutions.
Challenges in aviation sustainability are complex, so we need to require different teams working with different capabilities towards solving this challenge through different projects, different partnerships, and different research activities and teams.
The one concrete action that the aviation sector must take to accelerate women's leadership is to hold leaders accountable and measure success. When targets are tracked and discussed at leadership level, recruitment and promotion decisions change. And we've seen the impact: more women joining technical programs and progressing into leadership roles.
I believe the aviation sector needs to actively open itself up to women, rather than just expecting women to find their own way in. The access to this world is still very uneven. A concrete action would be to make early aviation experiences much more visible and accessible. Things like introductory flights, or gliding camps, or hands-on technical problems. Once women enter the field, they need to be trusted with real-world technology and responsibility and ownership. And that's what builds the confidence, the credibility, and ultimately also leadership.
To truly accelerate women leadership and participation, I think we need to create and support a space where women work and leadership are visible.